this video, I'm going to explain to all of you about how to make half round standing shelf. We have to make basic shape with rectangle. Anyway, you can use this. Okay, you can push it to the upper position around, maybe just like this. It's just for support, temporary support. Okay, so then we can make the circle with this. Then we can make the circle by it from the midpoint, and then we can place on this position. Okay, and then we can erase some unnecessary line, and then we can push it to the back until the limit, and then we can offset it inside around 30 millimeter, and we can push it to the back. Then we can make group. Okay, and then we can make a shelf, horizontal shelf over there. We can make horizontal shelf. Then we can push it to the upper position. Then we can make group. Then we can move to the upper position with any size as we want anyway. So then we can push it to the left side. And then we can push it to the left side. Okay, we can uh, push it to the another side also of the left side. Okay, then push it to the left side. Okay, we can make the vertical shelf. We can place on this position, make group, and then we can move it to the left side anyway. Okay, just something like this, and we can make the material of it. Okay, I hope it will be a lot of benefit to all of you about making the half round of this standing shelf. I hope, and wait for my next video in this channel. Thank you.